Hello everyone and welcome to the Weather Centre. After a cloudy start to the day for the Lowveld and the adjacent areas, it will become partly cloudy later on. The light rain in that area will also clear out. And during the course of this afternoon, a few patchy thunder showers will develop in places in the far northern parts, including over some areas of Limpopo into Gauteng and the Mpumalanga Highveld. The central and western parts of the country will be clear, hot and dry once again, and for this reason there is a warning for a high fire danger across these areas, including some parts of the Western and Eastern Cape. It will be dry as well along the western coastline. Even though a cold front is approaching, it will start pushing in some cloud cover towards the peninsula and some of the surrounding areas by this evening, but rainfall will only settle in after midnight for those places. For today, thunder shower activity will be confined to the far northeastern corner of the country. We could see a couple of storms in Gauteng, very isolated around Johannesburg, better chances into parts of Limpopo and the Mpumalanga Highveld, a very slight chance for a few storms over northern and western KwaZulu-Natal for today. Things will start clearing out during the course of today over the far eastern parts of the country, including over the Lowveld, where a couple of showers will be possible at first. Let's take a closer look at your temperatures and another hot day for the northern parts of the country. A heat wave continues today across the northwest, where Freiburg reaches a high of 41 degrees Celsius. Hot as well for the Free State and the interior of KwaZulu-Natal and the Eastern Cape, 36 degrees as a maximum for Ladysmith as well as Queenstown. Let's take a look at the coastline now, and here temperatures will generally be below the 30-degree mark. Fresh northeasterly winds settling in this afternoon and a swell of about 2 meters affecting much of this stretch of South Africa's coastline. As winds push down from the interior plateau towards the coastline, they warm up, pushing the temperatures into the upper 30s for many areas in the Karoo, while along the coastline it will also be a warm day, but nowhere near as hot for these areas. An onshore flow pushes in for Mossel Bay and Plett at about 20 kilometers per hour. With the approaching cold front, westerly winds are settling in to both Muizenberg and Hermanus. Taking a look at the Northern Cape interior, and it's going to be a very hot day for this province. Temperatures in the mid to upper 30s for most areas and even the lower 40s for Uppington and Prieska. Along the coastline, on the other hand, remaining typically warm with temperatures in the mid 20s for most areas. Westerly winds for Cape Town, while southwesterly winds have settled in to Lambert's Bay and Langebaan. High tide in Table Bay this afternoon at 18 minutes to 2. A quick look ahead to tomorrow, and we'll see very patchy thunder showers once again over parts of the northern interior. An extremely hot day expected for northern KwaZulu-Natal. Richards Bay gets to 41 degrees, while it's going to be a cool day down in the southwest behind the cold front.